Hi everyone, welcome to week 8 in English 101B. So this week you do have a draft due for your explanatory essay. So for major paper number 2, you have to write a revision explanation essay and you have to create a multimodal project. This week I'm going to ask that you submit to me at least 2 paragraphs of that revision explanation essay so that I have a working understanding of what you're doing. But I also want you to discuss your progress with the class. So I'm going to have you also participate in a discussion board. So make sure that you are keeping track of those 2 assignments. Our due dates this week are a little bit different from the average week. We do have a holiday on Friday as Veterans Day is observed that day. So I've tried to adjust accordingly to give you guys time to observe the holiday and participate in any holiday celebrations, parades, observances on Saturday as well. So again, we have those 2 assignments this week, but I also want you to complete an annotation assignment. And I've got a set of lecture notes on multimodality for you guys to take a look at that also gives some resources for you when creating your multimodal project. Right. Additionally, I've got a Writing Center survey for you all. Even if you haven't used the Writing Center, I am going to ask that you complete this survey by the end of the day on Monday so that we can get some feedback on how that service is working out for stretch students. All right. Gosh, what else? We've got a journal due this week as well. Last week was a little bit of a rough week for me and my family. I really appreciate all of the well wishes that you have sent to me and your understanding in my pacing and getting your grades out in that slowing down. My son was life flighted to Harborview last Monday night. He uh, had emergency surgery uh, to repair his spleen. He has a fractured shoulder as well. But he was released from ICU Wednesday to the pediatrics floor and released completely from the hospital on Thursday. So he's back home and recovering now. I was a little bit tired. I won't lie. I took quite a few naps on Friday and Saturday, but I am back at it and in a much better place to grade your essays and to work on grading your other classwork. So be on the lookout for those items and send me any questions that you may have. All right, guys, have a great week.